Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I make my 3 DIY hair spritz, one for leave-in, one for detangling, and one to refresh my old twist out curls. So the first mix is an aloe vera juice mix, and I use this as the L in my LOC method. It's a leave-in spritz to help close my hair cuticles and to protect it for my styling. For all these hair sprays, I'm going to start with a spray bottle and distilled water. So the main ingredient for this hair spritz is of course aloe vera juice. So you want to make sure you get the inner fillet as opposed to the whole leaf juice. Aloe vera juice is bomb for your hair because it has the same pH as your hair and your scalp. It gives your hair elasticity and prevents breakage, which is great for style prep. It has a chemical makeup similar to keratin. It's packed with amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, which help strengthen your hair, and it contains enzymes that helps repair your scalp. So I also add in sweet almond oil, which is great for hair moisturization. It helps restore the protective barrier of your hair strands, which is great for style prep. It absorbs quickly so it won't make your hair greasy. It's rich in vitamin E and oleic acid. The protein, fats, and vitamins it contains help strengthen your hair, and it gives your hair a nice shine and luster. So the next ingredient we're going to use is argan oil, which is a great styling oil. So I use argan oil for my styling leave-in because it helps tame frizzy hair. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E. It has antioxidants and linoleic acid. It helps smooth damaged hair shafts and split ends, and is often used as a heat protectant, and it helps detangle and style hair. And because vitamin C is so crucial to the health of your hair, we're going to add some drops of vitamin C oil. Vitamin C is one of the most effective nutrients to help grow and strengthen your hair. It helps build collagen, which is great for your scalp and your hair and your skin. It has potent antioxidant properties. It helps your hair absorb iron, which is beneficial to its strength. And in general, it plays a major role in keeping your hair thick, strong, and healthy. So now I'm going to add a few essential oils, and I'm going to start with ylang ylang, and this shit is bomb because it prevents split ends and damage. It's used as a natural conditioning agent. It increases the production of sebum in your scalp, which keeps your hair naturally moisturized. It boosts your hair strength and growth, and it smells really good, y'all. It smells like juicy fruit gum. So we're going to keep the smell good essential oils coming. And next is going to be lavender oil. Lavender oil is clinically proven to stimulate hair growth. It helps prevent bacteria and fungi from growing because it has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. It deep conditions your hair. It helps control dandruff, and it has a calming effect with its lovely, lovely smell. Geranium oil is another smell good essential oil, and it's really good for your hair because it has potent antioxidant properties. It's full of amino acids, which helps build, strengthen your hair. It has antiseptic and antibacterial properties, which is great for your scalp. It strengthens your hair follicles and your hair strands, and again, it smells really good. Like, if you're going to put something in your hair when you want it to smell good. So the last essential oil we're going to use for this leave-in spritz is going to be rose oil. Rose oil is bomb because it adds shine and promotes hair growth. It fights scalp conditions and inflammation. It strengthens your hair follicles. It has anti-aging properties, and again, it smells really, really good. So now we're going to combine all of these ingredients into the spray bottle, and I start with about a half bottle of aloe vera juice, and then I'm going to dilute it with about a half bottle or a third bottle of water. And I mean, I kind of eyeball these ingredients measurements. You can kind of switch it up how much you want. You really don't have to use water if you don't want to. You can just use aloe vera juice. And then I'm going to do the sweet almond oil, and I kind of just do a swig of this as well as a swig of the argan oil. I just kind of pour it in based on how much space I have left in the spray bottle. And then I'm going to do like one squeeze of vitamin C. So I like it when it's in the little squeeze bottle because you can kind of measure how much you use. And I just kind of squeeze like one little tube of that. That's like some type of amount of milliliters, whatever. And then I'm going to go ahead and put about 6 drops of each essential oil into the bottle. hair done. And this is basically the liquid that I use after I wash and condition my hair. I go ahead and spray each section with this liquid, and then I go in with oil, and then I go in with a leave-in conditioner, and then a styling cream, or I blow dry. Well, however way I'm about to style my hair for that particular day. The second mix is going to be an apple cider vinegar mix, and this is basically a spritz I use to help detangle and clarify my hair prior to shampooing. I want to get the apple cider vinegar that's organic and is with the mother, because that has the most nutrients in it. Apple cider vinegar is bomb for removing product buildup. It helps restore your scalp's and hair's pH because it matches it. It helps melt away tangles, y'all. It melts away tangles and product buildup. It increases the blood circulation in your scalp, and it helps moisturize and define your curls. Next, we're going to use grapeseed oil because this oil is known as a cleansing oil. Grapeseed oil is also known to remove product buildup. It helps lock in your moisture and prevent split ends and frizz. It's a light oil, so it won't leave your hair feeling greasy. It helps block the production of DHT, which is a hormone that causes hair loss. And it contains vitamin E and linoleic acid, and it reduces dandruff and dermatitis. Next oil we're going to add is going to be jojoba oil. It contains vitamin E, antioxidants, and zinc is a crucial nutrient in hair growth. It helps remove product buildup, and that's why people use it as a makeup remover. It removes dandruff and stimulates the scalp, and it helps regulate the sebum production on your scalp and your skin. Now for the essential oils for this mix, we're going to start with lemongrass. Lemongrass helps strengthen your hair follicles. It's an effective dandruff treatment. It helps maintain a healthy scalp. It's antimicrobial and antiseptic, and it helps combat the smell of the apple cider vinegar. The next essential oil is going to be rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is clinically proven to increase the circulation in your scalp. It prevents premature graying and dandruff. It helps dry and itchy scalp, and it's anti-inflammatory, and it's clinically proven to heal the nerve endings, which is great for your scalp and your hair follicles. And finally, we're going to use some peppermint oil. And peppermint oil also increases blood circulation in your scalp. It normalizes the sebum secretion while cooling your scalp. It moisturizes your hair strands, just like it moisturizes your lips and chapstick. And the cooling sensation from the menthol invigorates your scalp, which causes an increase in blood circulation. So to formulate this hair spritz, you definitely want to dilute the apple cider vinegar well because it's too strong for your hair alone. And in here I pour a half a bottle, but I pour some out, so it's about a third bottle of apple cider vinegar, and then I go in with a third bottle of the distilled water. So the ingredients up to here is kind of contingent upon how much space I have left in the bottle. So I kind of just squirt, the grapeseed oil, and then I just do another squirt of the jojoba oil. And then for the 3 essential oils, I do 6 drops of each oil. And that's it for this detangler clarifying apple cider vinegar mix. And I use this as a pre-poo to start detangling my hair prior to shampooing. Of course, you want to use this and then rinse it out or shampoo it out because it has apple cider vinegar. 3 is new to my hair care roster. It's a curl refresher mix, which is basically water mixed with a bunch of curl refreshing and conditioning ingredients. So with this hair mix, just like any other mix, you can definitely tweak it up to suit your personal hair needs. I personally got all of the ingredients that I already have that kind of go with the same purpose as the curl refresher mix, which is basically a curl moisturizer, a shine and hold mist, a hair lotion, a curl refreshing spray, a curl activating gel. All of these ingredients kind of go with my purpose of refreshing curls, and I kind of just mix them together with some water in a spray bottle. And I would say this mix, mostly out of all mixes, you'll have a lot of trial and error probably, because you want to kind of test out different amounts of water with different amounts of other products. You may want your product to be more diluted if you have softer curls or more defined curls. If you have more kinky hair, you may want to use more product than water just to have more of a thick consistency. My next time making this curl mix, I'm gonna probably use less water and more curl activating gel with more hair lotion, just so I can have a thicker consistency, because I find thicker products, especially for all kinky hairs, I think thicker products kind of hold the curl more, and more watery liquids kind of make your hair frizz up when it dries. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys learned something or found out something that you could utilize in your hair care regimen. If you did try something and you found that you liked it, please let me know, because I love knowing when I help you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.